Okay, I hope it don't sound like I'm yelling, but there's a lot of traffic here, or a little bit noisy traffic, construction traffic. I'm at Babcock Ranch. It's one of my favorite up-and-coming towns here in definitely sunny Southwest Florida. As you can tell now, I'm going to put my visor on. It is powered by solar energy. That is what is so unique about this little town. You don't see overhead power lines. They're underground in this town. It has made a tremendous up-and-coming little city here in Southwest Florida. It has survived several major hurricanes with no interruption. It is so cool. But you know what? If you look over here, you'll see all kinds of sand and construction. That's because the developers of Babcock Ranch are helping to get some of the most serious traffic problems off of 31. They are financing Department of Transportation a 4-lane road that is going to be able to go through here to help the residents of Babcock get to Palm Beach Boulevard or get to Arcadia. It's a wonderful place, and today I'm going to go through various sections of Babcock Ranch. Check it out. Hi, it's still maybe a little noisy. I'm going to try to talk loud, but I'm inside Babcock. This community is TerraWalk. It's a DiVosta builder. They have all new construction back here. If I'm not mistaken, I think there's 18 different little communities that are going to be inside this city called Babcock. Different price ranges, different floor plans, so much to choose. And this is an up-and-coming town. That's what I like about it. It's watching a city being built from the ground up. Not communities, a city. And beautiful, beautiful flowers. But we're going to go check out some more. I'm not going to go back to the models today. I'm going to save that for another day. But I wanted you to see the front of TerraWalk, and there'll be several others that we're going to go through. Actually, my photographer's here. Out there in the distance is all kinds, again, of things with Babcock. I know they now have an actual rental apartment complex out here. So if you want to live at Babcock Ranch, you don't have to buy a home. You can get into either an owner who wants to rent their place or an actual apartment complex. Let's go check it out today. Hey, I'm in Founder Square at Babcock Ranch. This was the beginning of this town. In just the last 4 or 5 years, this town is growing by leaps and bounds. We just came from across the street there where we had homemade ice cream. It was delicious. Small town feel, quiet. We sat outside and ate it. It's just gorgeous here. Here in Founder Square, as the camera is going around, you'll see food trucks because it's Friday night. And the food trucks come in on Friday night. The town comes down. They all get together. And it looks like there's going to be a band out here, pavilion. And there's the lake. That is the Babcock Lake. So a lot of things to do. Over here we have the Wellness Center. A lot of activity there. There's so many things. And across the street behind these buildings over here is going to be the center of town. It's going to keep growing and growing and growing. As I drove through the community today, there's signs everywhere that says, coming gas station, coming commercial aid buildings, coming this, coming that. There's so much coming here in the Babcock Ranch, but for now, Founder Square is the place to be. I'm at Babcock Lake at Founder Square. It's so cool to see the tower out there in the distance with the B for Babcock. This is a beautiful lake. Very nice. You've got the condos across the way. There's a clubhouse over there for one of the communities. This is the fitness center. There's a pool here. The school is out in the distance. You've got the palm trees. It's a beautiful Friday night. The boardwalk walking along here. You can just come down and sit. So beautiful. Just beautiful. There's the band shell. And Across the street, we have ice cream. And there's just two people sitting enjoying the Friday evening as they just enjoy the night. It's Friday night and I'm in Founders Square in Babcock Ranch. The food trucks are coming in. They're circling the square. More and more people will be coming in. The band shell is getting loaded up with the band. There'll be music tonight and all kinds of activities for those who live here in Babcock Ranch or those who just are coming in to visit. Babcock Ranch, the up-and-coming town. You saw Babcock Lake here that was behind me. So much to do, the walkways, infinite trails, infinite walking, and family-oriented. It's so incredible. Babcock Ranch.